when it's time to load the material, right here. Yeah. For the support, the one for the material rack, lift it up here first and pull it open. Yeah, pull it open. Yeah, pull it open. And then you can load the material. This is the sensor rack. It will need to be moved out later. Moved out here to place the sensor. Yeah. Pull this open. Yeah, once the material is loaded. After loading the material, yeah, move this back. Move this back, yeah. Now, use this hand wheel to carefully install it back here, making sure it is properly aligned. Then slowly and steadily screw it up until it just barely touches here. Yeah. This step is important for load-bearing purposes. Yes, use forward rotation for this part. Reverse rotation. Yeah, like automatic. Yeah, automatic. Okay, turn off automatic. Automatic is turned off right now, just so you know. This is for the material pressing arm. Yeah, this one. Flip it down to press. Flip it over to raise. Press. Raise. Press. Raise. Yeah, flip it over. Yeah, this is for that. Expanding and contracting this part. What I'm pressing now is contraction, to shrink it. Press this again for expansion. Expansion of materials, contraction of materials, which often occur due to temperature changes. Expansion and contraction, yeah, that's essentially it. Then, this is to push up and support the material here. This hand wheel later. This hand wheel. This hand wheel will be installed here. It's detached now just to prevent it from being damaged during transport, so I took it off and tied it here. Tied it here. Yeah, tied it here. This is the sensor rack. Yeah, this is the sensor rack. It will also be detached and placed outside here. Yeah, this is the sensor rack. The hand wheel is here, so when you're on site, detach it and install it back here to rotate and control the raising and lowering. Yeah.